Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I thought let me record something different out of all the like topics that I select for productivity coaching, my video channel, my YouTube channel. So today I just thought uh, I with some time back I was searching few things, and I was trying to explore few things with the help of NVDA. So and I was trying to learn Microsoft Excel, and there are lots of, because Microsoft Excel is one of the you know uh, tool that one must learn, because it's very helpful, right? So I just thought I know how to use Excel with the mouse. I knew it how to use when I was sighted, but now that I'm not in a state to use mouse, I use keyboard shortcuts and everything. So I thought I should learn it, because not everything is as easy as it was with mouse. So I was exploring it, and I thought let me help my other brother and sisters as well, who are visually impaired, with low vision or completely blind with eyesight. So I thought it will be help for them. So this is just a try. If I go wrong anywhere, just excuse me for my just error. So let me very quickly share this screen. Give me a moment. Yes, I'm sharing the screen at uh, Excel selected. Check. Share.
Access screen sharing meeting controls window.
Right. So I hope the screen is visible, and
Alt Excel 2 of 3. Excel home grouping, new grouping, list, blank workbook Alt F
yes.
H Y2 1 of
So
5.
as it said, blank document, right? So I'm opening a blank sheet here. So how to open it? Like if you are using a laptop or desktop, just press the Windows home button on your laptop on your keyboard, and it will pop up with the search button. Just type EXCEL or just type EX. It will pop up with the Excel app opening, and it will then this will be the screen that will pop up, like open a blank sheet. I'm going to select it. Yes.
Sheet 1 table 1.
So this said just sheet 1A1. Okay. So today, what are we going to explore? We are going to see how to rename a file, how to name a file, how to save a file, like at the first when we open a blank sheet, like, and second, any cell, how to make it bold, italic, or underline, single underline or double underline, and also how to create sheet, like delete sheet, how to rename a sheet, and how to move a sheet, right? And also we'll be learning about merging two cells, two or as many, like whatever your requirement is, right? So let me tell you some basics on here for Excel, who is very freshly learning this. So the columns will be named as A, B, C, D accordingly till Z and continue to that. And the rows will be 1, 2, 3, 4, the cell number. Let me tell it. Let me show
A
it.
2. A 1.
Okay, let me reduce my speed as well so that.
CTRL plus NVDA plus down arrow. Grid 25. CTRL plus NVDA plus down arrow. Grid 20.
Okay, I've just made my speed of the voiceover to 20 so that even you can understand.
A 1.
So it said a 1, right? Like, which means we are in the column A and first row.
B1.
B1, B column, first row.
B7.
It said B7. That means we are in the B column, seventh cell of the B column, right? So similarly,
A 7.
we'll
A
just
6. A 5. A 3. A 2. A 1.
a
A
1,
1.
right? I just came back to the A1 so that we can just figure it, like we can move ahead. So I'll be just writing few things mm, suppose you want to take care of your expenses, right? So let me write. Okay, sorry.
E S
Yeah.
S E R I A L. Serial space.
Serial.
Add.
Oh, sorry, not add.
Add. Number.
Number. Right. One more thing I would like to tell is, like, why you must be thinking like why did I add serial number?
A2,
Right?
B2,
Suppose
B1,
most of the time sighted people write it as
edit
S
S, L,
L.
L space, N, O, no, dot,
So this is the thing. But the people like who use NVDA, JAWS and all, it speaks out, right? So this system will speak out what you have given the input, right? So if you check out,
B2,
I have come out of the cell,
SL no,
SL
B1,
no. We know that SL stands for serial and NO dot stand for number, right? But the system is reading it
B2,
as
SL no, B1,
SL no. Let me recheck it.
C1, SL no,
SL
B1,
no, right? It's saying that SL no, it's in B1. But if I'm using it, if I just skip it, like if I'm using it and if I get confused, I'm not going to give the shortcut like SL no and all, so that I don't get confused. That is why I have written as
serial number A1,
number. You can even write at NUM as NUMBER number as well, but I've just given the symbol because it reads out easily.
A2, serial number A1,
Serial number, right?
SL no,
So SL no,
B1,
I'm deleting it.
serial B1,
B1 is empty now.
serial
The
number
serial
A1,
number is the A1.
B1,
B1 is the
ARTICUARS,
particulars,
B2, particulars of C1,
and
OUTIN, RUO, O,
sorry,
PW,
sorry,
WUR, RUPES,
RUPES. All right.
C2, amount in
Amount in
rupees of
rupees
D1,
and
MARKS,
remarks.
D2, remarks D1,
Remarks. So suppose these are the things that we are taking care
amount
of,
in
like
rupees,
the
particulars,
title,
serial number A1,
serial number,
particulars crop D1,
particulars,
amount in rupees crop
amount in
C1,
rupees,
remarks D1,
remarks,
D2
right?
C B A2,
So, and let us number it.
A3,
One. Let me put in the formula in
edit
here.
equals
Equals
A2,
1.
numlock plus num1, A4, 2 as formula A3,
So I'm just going to copy it.
CTRL plus A4, 2 as formula A4, shift plus
4,
shift
5,
shift
6,
shift shift
7,
shift
8,
shift
9, 10.
shift plus down A4 3 as formula 4 5 6 7 8 at 9 as 10 as formula A
Right?
B11.
I've just taken this tell serial number. I just shortened the process so that I don't have to number it like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? And
B7.
suppose
CTRL plus home serial
serial number,
particulars B2.
particulars, I will add like let us just name it as
Edit A B3. Edit S B edit D G
E
B5 edit H
H
B edit J
A
B edit K
and
edit L
sorry, whatever.
K B7 L B8 B9 8 as formula A9 B
And
L B8 B9 edit C
C,
B10 edit V 9 as formula A10
10, right?
VB10
So
CB
we have just
LB8 KB JB HB DG SB a B2 particulars crop B.
okay. We have just named it like for you can add it like I'm just giving an example, so I've just randomly added anything.
Amount in rupee
Amount in
C2
rupees just like
SZZ C
0,
SZZ
0,
C
3,
SZ0
0,
4
3,
ZZ
0.
SZZ SZZ C SZZ 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 C10 SZ0 0 908
Right? So
500 C
just
CTRL plus home
although like I'm just randomly giving an example. So now let
CTRL
us check
plus home
out the titles. Like we for the person is serial number, then the second comes is particulars, then the amount in rupees and remarks. So what we are going to do is we are going to center align it, right? We are going to make it bold, italic, and underline, right? So let me go and select
serial
it.
number
You have to
A1
select the cells that you want to make the apply the command.
Shift plus right arrow a 1 serial Shift plus right arrow a 1 serial number through C1 amount in rupee Shift plus right arrow a
Yes.
1 serial number through D1 remarks
So
selected quick
I'm
analysis
just
available tab
increasing
control
a
formatting
bit
CTRL plus NVDA plus up
speed
arrow
of
rate
it
35
because that is really irritating me. The so slow voice and all.
book 1
Okay.
CTRL
So
plus home serial number A1
yeah.
Shift plus right arrow a 1 serial number through D1 remarks selected quick
Yes, it
analysis
has been
available
selected. So I'll tell you how to make it bold, italic, and how am I going to cross check it. I am also a fresh learner. I'm just sharing it so that it will be helpful to other my brothers and sisters as well who are visually challenged. If you have any shortcut keys and if you are more expert than what I am, please you can even share what you have to share with share for our brothers and sisters, right? So let me tell you now, I'm going to make it bold. So how I'm going to do it, the shortcut is Alt H. H stands for home. And under the home tab, we have the option of bold, italic, and underline. So I'm going to press
Alt plus
H.
H. Ribbon tab control expanded.
Then
Home
the
tab
number
selected Alt.
one
H2 of
button,
9. 1. Sheet 1 table. 1 serial
then
number through D1 remarks
Control
selected. CTRL plus B.
B. Like you don't first Alt H, then release it, then press the button 1, like on your in your keyboard, and then press Control B, which stands for bold. We have done it. We'll cross check it as well if the toggle button is on or not. Now we'll make it italic. Again, Alt
Alt
H.
plus H. Ribbon tab control
Now
expanded.
this
Home
time
tab
press
selected
the
Alt. H2 of
button
9.
2, number 2,
2. Sheet 1
2,
table. 1 serial number through
then
D1 remarks
Control
selected.
plus I.
CTRL plus I.
You don't have to release the control while pressing I, right? Now we'll make it underline. We are going to press again Alt
Plus
H.
H. Ribbon tab control
Now
expanded.
here
Home
is
tab
the
selected Alt. H2 of
difference
9.
here. When you press 3,
3 underline not checked Alt. H. 3.
yes,
UCTRL plus U. Underline not checked Alt. H. 3. UCTRL plus U.
yes, it just gave an pop-up. Single underline if you press the down arrow.
Double underline not checked
Double
Alt. H.
underline.
3.
Not
D.
check.
Underline not checked Alt. H. 3.
Underline not.
UCTRL plus U.
So I'm going to
Sheet
press
1
it.
table. A 1 serial number through D1. A 1 serial number through D1 remarks selected. 100
Yes,
C2.
right? So I hope it has been underlined as well.
Amount in rupees crop C1.
If we can cross check it. Alt
plus H. Ribbon tab control expand through underline checked Alt. H. 3.
underline check.
UCTRL plus U.
It
Underline
has been
split.
underlined. So now let us check out if all the letters, like all the cell that we have selected and text under the cell is bold, italic, and underline. So for that,
Format cell border split button collapse Alt. Sheet 1 table. Amount in rupees crop C1. Particulars crop D. CTRL plus home. Serial number A1.
okay, we'll just check out for the serial number. We are on the cell A1, and the text in the cell is serial number. So we'll press Alt.
Ribbon tab control expanded. Home tab selected Alt. H2 of 9.
Ribbon tab selected. Like now the home tab is selected. Now to go under the menu of home tab, I'll press down
Clipboard
key.
grouping. Paste split button unavailable. Collapse Alt. H.
Clipboard. Like it is reading about the paste. It's unavailable because we don't have any text or anything copied on the clipboard. So it's empty. So we can't paste anything, and that is not something we are looking for now. So I'll press the right arrow now.
Copy split button collapse Alt font grouping. Bold toggle button not pressed Alt. H. 1 CTRL plus B.
Pressed. Okay. So maybe I have done some mistake. It's not pressed. So it's confirmed.
Italic toggle button not pressed Alt. H. 2 CTRL plus I.
Not pressed. Okay. Maybe.
Underline split button collapsed Alt. H. 3. Sheet 1 table. Serial number A1.
I think the text was not selected. I'm going to redo
CTRL plus home. Serial number A1.
Serial number.
Shift plus right arrow. A 1 serial number through B1 particular select. Shift plus right arrow. A 1 serial number through C1 amount and rupee select. Shift plus right arrow. A 1 serial number through D1 remarks selected. Quick analysis available. Alt plus H. Ribbon tab control 1. Sheet 1 table. A 1 serial. CTRL plus B.
Control B. Okay. Now let us check out if it's bold or not.
Ribbon tab control clipboard copy split font grouping bold toggle button not pressed Alt H 1 CT sheet 1 table a 1 serial number through D1
pressed
1 to 2 serial number A1
serial number. Let us check it out.
Alt plus H ribbon tab 1 sheet 1 table CTRL plus B.
CTRL plus B. Now let me check
ribbon
it.
tab clipboard copies font grouping bold toggle button not pressed Alt H 1 sheet 1 table serial number 1 to 2 a B2 particulars crop D1.
I don't know what is mistake.
Serial number A1. Shift plus right arrow. A 1 serial number through B1 particular selected. Quick analysis available. Alt plus H. Ribbon tab control expanded. Home tab selected Alt. H2 of 9. 1 sheet 1 table. A 1 serial number through B1 particular selected. CTRL plus B.
Yeah.
Ribbon tab control expand clipboard copy split button font grouping bold toggle button not pressed Alt H sheet 1 table a 1 serial number through B1.
With this, why is it not getting selected? Okay.
1 to 2.
1 to
serial number A1.
Serial number.
Alt plus H ribbon tab control expanded home tab selected Alt H2 of 9.
H2 of 9. It's reading about that one.
1 sheet 1 table serial number A1.
Okay.
CTRL plus B.
Why
Ribbon tabs tab clip copy split button collapse alt font grouping bold italic bold toggle button not pressed alt H 1 CTRL plus D. Clipboard font grouping bold toggle button not pressed alt H 1 CTRL plus D. Sheet 1 table serial number A1.
Let me do it in the other cell.
Shift plus F11 sheet 2 table A1.
I've created. Okay, so here is the thing. I just press shift F11.
Shift plus F11 sheet 3 table A1.
That is creating the shift sheet. Like if you can just check out, we have 3 sheet now. To cross check, like to switch over from sheet to sheet, you can use control page up and page down. So I'm going to the previous sheet, like I'm on sheet 3, so I'll go to sheet 2.
CTRL plus page up A1. Okay. CTRL plus page down sheet 2 table A1.
Okay, sheet 2, I'm on. You can just press like page up and page down to move on to your concerned sheet. So let me move.
CTRL plus home A1.
Okay, I'm just writing hello
B1 B1 semi.
Okay,
semi
okay,
A2 hello 1 Kushal B1.
Okay.
Hello 1.
Hello Kushal, I have just written and I'm just pressing alt
plus H ribbon tabs 1 sheet CTRL plus B.
Okay, so let me check out if it's
ribbon tabs tab clipboard copy split but font grouping bold toggle button not pressed alt H 1 CTRL plus B sheet 2 table hello 1.
Okay.
Alt plus H 1 sheet 2 table hello 1. Kushal B1 hello 1.
Alt
ribbon tabs clip copies font grouping bold toggle button not pressed alt H 1 CTRL plus space sheet 2 table hello Kushal B1 hello 1. ribbon tabs tab clipboard copy split font grouping bold toggle button pressed alt H 1 CTRL plus D.
So it is pressed now as I did it manually.
Sheet 2 table hello Kushal B1.
Kushal, let me check it out for this one. Alt
plus H ribbon tabs 1 sheet 2 table Kushal B1.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Hello 1 Kushal B1.
Alt
plus H ribbon alt plus 1 sheet 2 table Kushal B1 CTRL plus B.
B. Okay.
Hello 1 Kushal B1.
And now let us check it if it's if the bold is on for the second cell, like that is for B1. Okay.
Ribbon tabs tab clipboard grouping paste split copy split font grouping bold italic bold toggle button press alt H 1 CTRL plus B sheet 2 table Kushal B C1.
Let me show it to you again and then confirm it.
D1 C1 Kushal B1 C1
mistake I was. So
D1 C1.
I am on C1 and let me
D.
Okay.
C2 India C1.
So I've just written India in C1 and I'm going to make it bold. So let me just check it first if it's or not. I hope that it's not already bold.
Ribbon clipboard copy split font grouping bold toggle button not pressed alt H C2 table okay. India C1.
So India I have selected C1. Alt
plus H ribbon alt plus 1 C2 table India C1 India C1 CTRL plus B.
Control B.
D1 India C1.
Okay, so let us check out now if the bold is on.
Ribbon tab clip copies font grouping bold toggle button not pressed alt H 1 CTRL plus B.
Oh, not
sheet D1 India C1. Alt plus H ribbon tabs tab control expanded alt plus 1 sheet 2 table India C1 CTRL plus B.
Okay.
C2 India C1. Ribbon tabs clipboard group copies font grouping bold toggle button not pressed alt H 1 sheet 2 table D1 India C1. Alt plus H ribbon 1 sheet 2 table India C1. Then CTRL plus B. Kushal B1 India C1.
Oh God. Okay.
Ribbon tab clip copy font grouping bold toggle button not pressed alt H sheet 2 table India C1.
I'm going to do it today anyhow, like whatever, however long it takes. So
alt plus H ribbon alt plus 1 sheet 2 table India C1.
C1.
C2 India C1. Ribbon tabs tab control expanded home tab selected alt H2 of 9. Clipboard grouping paste copies font grouping bold toggle button pressed alt H 1 CTRL plus B.
Okay. So I think the shortcut key, there must be some mistake in my keyboard. I don't know, because some time back it was working. So I don't know if my control is not working properly or no. So what I did was just to bold it. I just pressed Alt H and number 1, and then just press enter. Okay, so that it was
italic toggle button not pressed alt H bold toggle button pressed alt H 1 sheet 2 table India C1.
So now let us check out for italic.
Control B. Hello 1. Hello 1.
Hello.
Shift plus right arrow. Shift plus right arrow.
India.
1 hello through
Okay.
C1 India select. Alt
Alt
plus H.
H.
Ribbon tabs tab control. Alt plus 2. Sheet 2 table. Hello 1. 1 hello through C1 India selected.
And Alt
Alt plus H.
H.
Ribbon tabs tab control expanded. Home tab selected. Alt H2 of not. Alt underline not checked. Alt H3.
Underline not
UCTRL plus
checked.
2 underline sheet 2 table.
I've
1
checked
hello
that.
through C1 India selected.
So now let us check like if everything is italic. So I'll press Alt.
Ribbon tabs tab control expanded. Home tab selected. Alt clipboard grouping. Paste split button unavailable. Collapsed. Alt copy split button font grouping. Bold toggle button pressed. Alt H1 CTRL plus D.
Bold toggle button press.
Italic toggle button pressed. Alt H2 CTRL plus I.
Toggle button press. Yes, it's saying that. Yes, and it's underlined as well. So now, so this is something. I'm sorry to take it longer time. Just the shortcut key here is select the cell that you want to make it bold and italic. For bold, it's Alt H. Without releasing the Alt button, it's 1, and then just press enter. For italic, it's Alt H plus 2, the button 2, numeric 2, and then press enter. And for underline, when you press Alt H and number 3, then it shows as underline and double underline. Whichever you want, you can just navigate around with the keyboard, like a down arrow or the up arrow,
keypad raised
tab as well, and then press enter. Right. So this was something which we learned, like bold, italic, and underline. Now let us check it to bring it centered. Okay.
Sheet 2 table. So now, hello 1.
I have selected the
shift plus right arrow. 1 hello through C1 India selected. Quick analysis available.
Press Alt H, then AC. Okay. What is AC? Alt H is like the ribbon tabs of under home tab, and AC is align center. Okay. Alt
plus H. Ribbon tabs tab control expanded. Home tab selected. Alt H2 of 9. Sheet 2 table. 1 hello through C1 India selected.
Okay. So this is centered. Let us check out if it's now centered or not. Okay. So now
ribbon tabs tab control clipboard grouping. Paste split button unavail. Copy split font grouping. Bold toggle button pressed. Alt italic toggle button underline split button border split button collapse fill color split button art font color split button art alignment grouping. Align left toggle button not pressed. Alt H
alignment left toggle button not pressed. We didn't do it, so it's not pressed.
Center toggle button pressed. Alt H.
Yes, center toggle button press. I'm sorry for this mobile sound. Let me. Okay, I've just muted it. So toggle button center button alignment is toggled. Okay.
Align right toggle button not pressed. Alt H R.
Alignment right not toggle button not pressed. So let us check out with the left alignment and right alignment. And the shortcut
Sheet 2 table. 1 hello through C1 India select. Alt plus H. Ribbon tabs tab control expanded. Home tab selected. Alt H2 of 9. L. Sheet 2 table. 1 hello through C1 India select.
So now I have done the alignment left. Okay, so let's check out Alt.
Ribbon tabs, clipboard grouping, paste split button, copy font, underboard, fill font, color split button, art alignment grouping, align left toggle button, press Alt H L, center toggle button not pressed. Alt H
not pressed. We were on centered alignment, so it's not pressed.
Align left toggle button pressed. Alt H L.
Align left toggle button pressed. So now it's on left alignment. For just now I'm going.
C2 table. We just
learned how to left align. And similarly, by pressing the AR, like Alt H AR, the concerned set, like you have to select the cell first, then press Alt H AR, align right. Okay, so this is something what we learned in, I don't know, 10 minutes or 12 minutes, I don't know. So it's just we learned opening an Excel sheet, like then creating a new sheet, like sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, then writing something in the like whatever concerned cell, how to make it bold, italic, and underline. And we just learned how to left align it, center align it, and right align it, right? So now we'll just check out how to merge this cell as well. Okay.
So B1, India C1.
India, it's on C1.
D1.
And I'll merge it in C1 and D1.
India C1.
Okay? C1.
Shift plus right arrow. C1 India through D1 selected.
And I'll press Alt
plus H. Ribbon tabs tab control expanded. Home number format edit. Alt sheet 2 table. C1 India through D1. Alt plus H. Ribbon tabs tab merge and center not checked. Alt H. Book 1 dash Excel. Sheet 2 table. India C1 through D1.
Yes.
Kushal B1.
Kushal is on B1.
India C1 through D1.
India C1 through D1. It says, right? So that is merged.
D1. India C1 through D1.
Yes. So we have merged two columns. The shortcut is Alt H M C. Alt H is under the home tab. M is merged. C is center, right? So now let us check out. These are some few things which are required in basic Excel as well. And now let us check out how to create a cell, a new sheet, how to rename it, how to delete a sheet, and how to move a sheet, right? So I think now we have
CTRL plus page down, sheet 1 table, serial number
we have
A1.
sheet 1.
CTRL plus page down, serial number A1.
Okay, sheet 1.
CTRL plus page up, sheet 2 table, India C1
sheet 2.
CTRL plus page up, sheet 3 table, 1.
Sheet 3. Okay, so we'll just need, we'll create one more, so that for creating a new sheet, the shortcut is Shift plus F11.
Shift plus F11, sheet 4 table, 1.
Sheet 4 is created. So I'll move on to sheet 3. It's okay, I'll just work on sheet 4. So we are going to rename the sheet 4, and the shortcut key is Alt
plus H, ribbon tabs, tab, cell size grouping, row height, unknown.
It says unknown, right? I'll just escape it so that you will listen to it. I'm not going to talk, so that you can listen to voiceover nicely, okay?
Sheet 4 table, 1.
Sheet 4. Let me repeat it before doing it. For renaming the sheet, selected sheet, Alt H, Alt plus H, then OR.
Alt plus H, ribbon tabs, tab, cell size group, unknown.
It says unknown. When it says unknown, what we have to do is we have to just Control
CTRL plus A.
It's selected. Now I'm going to name this file as
TESTING.
Testing. I have sorry, this sheet.
Testing table 1.
This is testing sheet. So now let me check out.
CTRL plus page down, sheet 3 table 1.
Sheet 3.
CTRL plus page down, sheet 2 table, India C1 through D1. CTRL plus page down, sheet 1 table, serial number
sheet
A1.
1. Sheet 1 is that we had added serial number particulars, and sheet
CTRL plus page up, sheet 2 table, India C1 through D1.
We just wrote hello Kushal India just to check out.
CTRL plus page up, sheet 3 table 1.
Empty.
CTRL plus page up, testing table 1.
Testing table, like this is the sheet which we renamed it. Now I'll just move it before sheet 3. Okay, I'll just tell you how to move any sheet at any place where you want. Just go to the sheet which you want to move, and now as we are in the testing, the one which we are moving, sheet 4, which we have renamed as testing. So we are going to Alt
plus E, ribbon tabs, tab, move or copy dialog, move or copy window, before sheet list, testing 1 to 5.
It says move or copy sheet before the sheet. Okay, so I can press down arrow or the tab button as well. So it says sheet 1,
sheet 3 2 of 5,
sheet 3 of 5,
sheet 2 3 of 5,
sheet
3 2 of 5,
sheet 3 2 of 5. That is like it may we have 5 options there. Then
sheet 2 3 of 5,
sheet 2 3 of 5. Sorry,
sheet 2 3 of 5.
Yeah, sheet 2 3 of 5.
Left parent, move to end right, sheet 1 4 of 5.
Sheet 1 4 of 5. So I'll just move it before the sheet 3. Okay, that means sheet testing will be just before the sheet 3.
Sheet 2 3 of 5, sheet 3 2 of 5.
Okay.
Create a copy, check OK button. Book 1 Excel testing, Alt screen sharing meeting controls, Zoom 3 of 3. Book 1 Excel 1 of 3.
Yeah.
Book 1 Excel testing table 1.
Yeah. So I think let's just check it. Let us check it out.
CTRL plus page up 1. CTRL plus page down, sheet 3 table 1.
Sheet 3.
CTRL plus page down, sheet 2 table, India C1 through D1.
2.
CTRL plus page down, sheet 1 table, serial number
sheet
A1.
1.
CTRL plus page down, serial number A1.
Yeah. So I think we are in sheet 1.
CTRL plus page up, sheet 2 table, India C1 through D1. CTRL plus page up, sheet 3 table 1.
Sheet 3.
CTRL plus page up, testing table 1.
So I think it's not moved. So let me move it before.
Alt plus E, ribbon tabs, tab, move or copy dialog, move or copy window, before sheet list, testing 1 to 5.
Okay.
Sheet 3 2 of 5.
Sheet 3.
Space. Create a copy, check OK button.
Okay.
Book 1 Excel testing table 1.
Yes.
CTRL plus page down, sheet 3 table 1.
Sheet 3.
CTRL plus page down, sheet 2 table, India C1 through D1. CTRL plus page down, sheet 1 table, serial number 8. CTRL plus page down. Alt plus page up, serial. CTRL plus page up, sheet 2 table, India C1 through D1. CTRL plus page up, sheet 3 table 1.
Sheet 3.
CTRL plus page up. Testing table a 1. CTRL plus page up a 1.
Okay, so let me just move
Alt
this
screen
screen.
sharing meeting controls 2 of 3.
Screen
Zoom
sharing.
3 of 3.
Zoom.
Book 1 dash Excel 1 of 3. Book 1 dash Excel.
Okay.
Testing table a 1. CTRL plus page down. Sheet 3 table a 1.
Sheet 3. So I'm just getting confused if it has moved or not. So normally it's like this is the way to move, but I don't know why is it troubling at my end today. So not a problem. So I just told you how to move it. And now we'll delete a cell, like the final one, how to delete a cell.
CTRL plus
Let
page
us
up. Testing table a 1.
testing, like we'll delete this one. So the option is Alt E L, Alt plus E and then L. So
Alt plus
Alt
E.
E
Ribbon L. Sheet
L.
3 table a 1.
Okay.
CTRL plus page down. Sheet 2 table. India C1.
Sheet 2.
CTRL plus page up. Sheet 3 table a 1.
Sheet 3.
CTRL plus page up a 1.
Yes, sheet 3. So this is the final one. So the testing sheet that we had renamed and tried to move, and we have deleted that as well, right? So this is something who the people who want to learn NVDA, like we have to learn how to create a new sheet, how to rename it, how to move it, how to delete it as well, right? And some basic stuffs like how to uh, make selected cell text in a cell bold, italic, underline, and how to merge it, right? So this is something I just shared. I was trying to learn it. I tried. I couldn't. I was looking for the long ways. Then I took some help from from my friend, and she helped me by understanding how to create a cell. And then while exploring, I started looking for the shortcuts for how to make bold, italic, and merge cells. I learned it, and I thought like it will be a helping move for the people who are looking to learn with the help of NVDA. NVDA is non-visual desktop access, which blind people use, for accessing for to having the access to digital devices like laptop. So yeah, that's it for today, guys.
Alt
I
screen sharing
think
meeting controls window.
let me stop.
Alt.
Yeah, I think that's it for today. This was completely out of the productivity coaching that we do all the time. I thought like this would be a help because I tried searching on Excel and on YouTube. I thought like if anyone who will be finding and if it gets this video, it will be a help to them as well. So just tried my best. If any mistake, please forgive me for that. This was just a try. I'm trying my best to give back to society that I'm learning, right? So this is all for today. This is your friend Kushal signing off for now. We'll connect soon with some new topic about productivity or something which I learned, right? So till then, please take care and thanks for watching and bearing with me till this end. Thank you, means a lot. Bye-bye. Take care.